someone told me, a doctor from Aurora. As a president of Philippine Medical Academy of Integrated Medicine, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you to PNAIM 2025 Convention with the theme Deep Commitment to Integrated Medicine. Today, as we come together with a shared purpose to explore, to learn, and to advance the powerful principles of integrated medicine. But first, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated organizing committee for their tireless efforts in bringing this event into fruition. Thank you. Finally, a very warm welcome to all the presenters who will be sharing their invaluable insights with us today. We are delighted to welcome you to a space where healing is not just about treating a condition, but about nurturing the entire well-being of the person. The world of healthcare is undergoing a profound shift, more and more. Patients and integrative medicine practitioners are realizing that optimal health requires more than treating isolated symptoms. It demands a more holistic, patient-centered approach that considers the full spectrum of a person's well-being, the body, mind, and the spirit. And that is the essence of integrated medicine. Today's event is a testament to this evolving vision. We will be exploring integrative strategies for building collaborative clinical practices. This is not simply about adding new tools to our toolbox. To this event, you will have the opportunity to engage with the pioneers in the field and gain practical knowledge that can transform your practice or your personal health. I encourage you all to participate fully, to ask questions, share your experiences, and forge new connections. It is through this kind of open, collaborative dialogue that we will create a healthier, more compassionate future for us all. Let us use this time to learn from one another and to feel re-energized, inspired, and united in our mission to create a healthier future for us all. I always pray, Lord, please guide our hands as we work to bring healing